Good morning, everyone. It's John from Chilliwack rat. So as we were celebrating getting rid of 2020 last night, something serious happened. It's a rat invasion. 2021 has proven to be no different. The rats in Chilliwack were cruising around last night thinking they could party as well. And as you can see behind me here, I've got a couple of traps set up on my steps, go up on my sun deck. And the whole idea is to protect my property when the rats in Chilliwack are out. I want to make sure I have defenses in place to take care of them. So Gypsy, when she's sleeping inside the house, she's not out getting the rats, but she knows where they are, don't you? So absolutely. So I'm just going to show you the whole idea about having a trap is to be able to catch those rats and get rid of them. Now, I got one right behind here. I'm not going to take it out and show you the whole thing, but I'm just going to show you the concept. Right, Gypsy? Let's see what we got here. Hang on. Oh. So this is the baby right here. Here, let me kick your ball for you. Oh. Okay, so I've got a trap set up. This one has the pet guard in place. As you can see, what happens is this stops the dog or a cat from getting their paws in where the trap is here. And I'll just turn it this way and I'll show you. This is how you can tell you have a rat. So number one rat for 2021 came out after midnight last night. And here we go. We're going to get rid of this little puppy. He's deader than a doornail. So anyway, take care. Have a great day. Chilliwack rat. It's as simple as that to catch a rat. In the upcoming little video clip, it shows the rat that eventually is caught in the trap, 4:59, January 1st, 2021. The rat will enter the little entrance in the pet guard area. It will make its way towards the food at the back of the trap, and eventually it'll get caught in the trap. It's as simple as that to catch a rat. Think about it. It's a custom-built rat trap box built by Chilliwack rat in Chilliwack, British Columbia. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It costs you nothing, as well as there's Facebook. So I keep on making videos and I keep on selling and building products. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day.